What's up, everybody? Lucky Scotch here. We got another unboxing video today. We're going to start off with the small one here. This one's from A&S, and I believe this is probably some parts for a ProFlex build that I'm starting to work on. Yep. So I got HK Army compressed foam ears. I've heard good things about these, so decided to try those out. Let's see, we got the strap here. I got the went with a KM strap. It's like the orange and purple zombie print. So get that out. And we got a couple of different sets of anodized screws in here. Got a set of orange ones and a set of purple ones, because team colors. So got a set of each just to try them out different ways on the mask. Alright, get this one open. This one's also from A&S. I'm pretty sure, yep, this one's frames. So I went with the neon orange ones. I'm not going to open all this stuff up all the way just yet. I'm going to do a separate video when I actually get all the parts for the ProFlex in. I'm going to build that, and then you guys will see everything on camera for the final results of that. Anyway, this is the big ticket item for this video. Jawz Paintball had a 25% off Black Friday sale. It's actually still going on at the time of this video release, so go check them out. You'll get 25% off your purchase. This is not a sponsored video, just want to throw that out there. This is actually my first time ever purchasing from Jawz. I've always seen their products out at the paintball events, and they got really cool product. So, but I've never seen any review videos on these things, so allow me to do that for you. Let's get this thing opened up. So I got one of the, like the samurai looking ones. And I got the Reaper print, which is the white with black teeth. And just by holding this box, I mean, okay, so first of all, nice heavy duty bubble wrap, so that's cool. Love to see that. More big heavy duty bubble wrap. Just opening this box, like holding the box when I got it, it weighs hardly anything. I was always concerned like that something like this might be really heavy on the front of the mask, but it doesn't hardly weigh anything. So let's see, they got zip ties included in here, which I'm assuming is the way that they mount these on the mask. And I went with the one for my Push Unite mask. Let me get that down before I show you guys the actual product here. So, I have the Headhunter Push Unite. It's still a little bit dirty from the last paintball event that I went to. So let's get this Jawz out of here. And that's what it looks like. Check that thing out. Absolutely fucking sweet. Pardon my language. So, that'll just fit right up on there. Just like that. Check that out. Let me get this zip tied on here real quick, and I'll try it on and give you guys a little bit more of a review on how this feels while you're wearing it. Okay, so that was a little bit of a learning curve on trying to figure out how to put that on there with the zip ties. They don't really include any instructions in the box. I mean, it's pretty much just the mask piece, the zip ties, and some bubble wrap. So, I mean, they kind of leave it up to you to figure out the best way to put it onto your mask. But the way I ended up putting this on was, I got a zip tie through right there towards the back portion, one towards the lower portion on both sides, and then up towards the top I went through the nose. So that's how it looks installed on there. And doing it the way I did that there, I mean, it's not going to come off there at all. It doesn't wiggle on the mask. It's nice and snug. That nose piece is just a little bit away from the lens so that it's not going to scratch anything, but it still stays nice and snug. So anyway, let's try this thing on and see how it looks and feels. Oh yeah. I'm really liking that. So a couple of things. I always thought that these were gonna kind of make the mask a little bit front heavy, and honestly the gator mail weighs a lot more than this mask piece does. So if you're familiar with gator mail and you've worn these before, just know that this piece right here is basically a feather compared to this. So if you're adding this onto your mask without this, it's not going to weigh anything down, hardly any. It's pretty much like a, I mean, the box itself, I looked at the weight of the box with the packaging, was only 12 ounces. So this thing itself, I'd say maybe 7 or 8 ounces. It weighs hardly anything. One more thing, they've got tons of holes drilled in through there along the lower jaw, in the mouth, right underneath the nose, the nostrils themselves. Tons of breathability through this, so it shouldn't be any sort of issue there. And then last thing that I really have to comment is the way that it contours the mask. They make these specific for different mask designs, so I got the one for the Push Unite, so obviously it contours this almost perfectly, really. So the biggest thing that protrudes off of there is going to be the nose. The original portion of the mask is literally right here, just behind the teeth. The rest of this jawline hugs the original jawline of the mask almost perfect. So if you're concerned about it sticking really forward heavy off of your mask, I wouldn't be concerned about that, because I mean that's what it looks like right there. I mean, it's basically just having a chin and a nose. So really cool. Other than that, I really don't have a whole lot to say about the mask, aside from it just looks really, really badass. So that's going to be it for this video. Nice quick one. So if you guys liked what you saw, hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.